Great. So in this lecture, I want to give you a content strategy that's going to guarantee you links. And really the idea here is that you look at what's already been successful and you model it. So instead of creating a new piece of content out of the blue and hoping that people are going to like it, it's going to be successful, what you want to do is actually find content that's already been shared on social media, that's already generated authoritative links. And really what you're going to do is take that and improve it. So you can either make it more up to date if it was published 2 years ago and you think that nobody's really been given an update on this, a fresh perspective. How does this new information impact that old information? You can go into more details. So you can read the post and say, that's good, but it's not really enough. I need more specifics. And you have to go off and reference a lot of other posts to get clarity on it. What you can do is then create a new post with that extra information. Or you can just simply make it more visually appealing. So add in images, infographics, just really bring it to life more for people and make the design and the whole experience a lot better. So what we're going to do is look at a tool now that's going to help us find content that's already been successful. That'll give us a starting point then for how we can build on it and produce a piece of content that's really going to get links. So the tool that we want to use to help us find successful pieces of content is called BuzzSumo. So you can just type that into Google. And again, this is there's a pro version of this tool, but there's really a lot of great information here, even on the free version. So let's just continue with my example of drones and see what's been the most successful pieces of content in the past 6 months under all categories. So here you can see that drones over dolphin stampede in Wales off Dana Point in Maui. So you can see that there's been a huge amount of likes for this on Facebook and shares, Google shares. So a very successful piece of content, unbelievably successful. So maybe let's just have a quick look at that. And let's have so over 10 million views on YouTube. I think this is really this is a great example of where drones really come to life and just getting a new perspective on things. So that's pretty amazing. Okay, and so while you're not going to be able to replicate that tomorrow, it's in an amazing location and probably a very unique opportunity. What you could do maybe is do the you could create a post saying, the best drone videos or in nature, and you already know maybe these videos have got 10 million whatever views. So that's a piece of content that you could create if you were selling drones and you wanted to attract people to your site and get links for it. So that's just an idea. And again, you're getting the attention of these influencers here. So this guy dolphinsafari.com. So he's really done well. So yeah, essentially the idea is to find content that you can replicate and make better in terms of making it more up to date, either more detailed or generally just more visually pleasing with design, etc. So have a look through that. What also is cool is that you can filter by date and then article, infographic, guest posts, whatever. You can check it out there. There is an option to view the backlinks, but you have to sign up for a pro account. So what you can maybe do is take the links, put them back into the Moz Open Site Explorer. So what else is cool about this tool is if you weren't able to identify the influencers, you can use this as a step before the last lecture. Let's just type in drones, and here it brings up a lot of the influencers around that keyword, and these are people then you can reach out to, or again look at the content that's been successful for them. So that's really it. I hope that's been helpful and it's going to make you confident that when you invest your time in producing content, that you're backing a winner and that you're going to be producing something that appeals to a lot of people. And this is just a fantastic tool, and I really hope you find it useful.